Hi there, welcome back to the channel Guide Hub. In today's video, we dive into the topic how to create Shazam account. First, install Shazam app on your phone, then open the app. Then swipe to the left on the library. Now tap on the setting icon on the top left corner. Now scroll till the end and tap on the sign in or sign up tab. Here you can sign in using Google or sign in with your email. Tap on sign in with email. Tap on I agree to accept the terms and conditions. Now enter your email address and tap on next. Now a sign-in email with additional instructions will be sent to your email address. Check your email. On this page, tap on the link that says sign in to Shazam. And with that, you have created an account on Shazam. So if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit share and subscribe for more.